The Google Pixel 8a Review. Design and build. The Pixel 8a showcases a sleek design with a plastic back, aluminum frame, and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 front, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Its compact dimensions, 152.1 mm by 72.7 mm by 8.9 mm, and weight, 188 grams, make it comfortable for one-handed use. The device is available in 4 colors. Display. Equipped with a 6.1-inch OLED display, the Pixel 8a delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The 1080p Full HD++ resolution, 430p density, ensures sharp visuals, while the adaptive refresh rate ranging from 60 Hz to 120 Hz provides smooth scrolling and responsiveness. Performance. Under the hood, the Pixel 8a is powered by Google's Tensor G3 processor, paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance across various applications. The device is available in 128 GB and 256 GB UFS 3.1 storage variants, providing ample space for apps and media. Camera. The Pixel 8a features a dual camera setup on the rear, a 64MP wide sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS), and a 13MP ultra-wide sensor. The front houses a 13MP ultra-wide camera for selfies. Battery and charging. The device is equipped with a 4,492 mAh battery, supporting up to 18 watts fast charging and 7.5 watts Qi wireless charging. Overall, the Google Pixel 8a stands out as a solid mid-range smartphone, offering a balanced combination of performance, camera quality, and software support. Thank you so much.